Welcome to Freeze Play Experiment number 2. If you completed experiment number 1, you already proved something important. Your mind responds, not because it's weak, but because it's flexible. Today, we're building on that. In experiment number 1, we paused the body. Today, we're testing what happens when the mind skips. Just a little, just enough to notice. This is recreational hypnosis. You remain in control the entire time. If at any point you choose to stop, you simply open your eyes and move. Simple, safe, curious. Now, let's begin. Take a slow breath in and let it go. Take in another slow breath and let your shoulders soften. There's nothing to force, nothing to prove, just observation. You can close your eyes now or in a moment and just notice your breathing. That's all. If you've done experiment number 1, your body remembers this part. In a moment, I'll say the word freeze, and your body will gently pause. Not rigid, not tense, just still, like pressing pause on a remote. Breathing continues, mind aware. Your body waits. Ready? Take a breath and freeze. Notice the stillness. Calm, simple, and unfreeze. Let your fingers move. Roll your shoulders slightly. That's how easy it is. Now, we add something playful. This time, when you freeze, your mind will do something subtle. It will skip, like a video buffering, like a scene that jumps forward half a second. You won't black out. You won't feel strange. It will simply feel shorter than expected, like a blink you didn't quite register. And when you notice it, you might even smile. Because that's the experiment. Curiosity, not control. Take a slow breath in and out and freeze. There's a little skip. And unfreeze. Move gently. Notice something. Did it feel slightly shorter than it should have? Like it blinked? That's the glitch. Let's make it just a bit more obvious. Still safe, still light, just a slightly bigger mental hop. Take a breath and freeze. And unfreeze. Good. Let your body move naturally. Now notice the quality of it. No confusion, no heaviness, just a playful mental jump. Your brain deciding, we don't need to record that part. That's impressive, actually. For the rest of this experiment, whenever I say the word buffer, your mind does a tiny micro skip. Half a second, then instantly back. Buffer. And back. See how smooth that is? Again. Buffer. And back. Playful, responsive, controlled. And now we clear everything completely. From this point forward, no automatic freezing, no glitches, no buffering, no skipping, unless you intentionally choose to participate in a future experiment. Your mind is clear, stable, fully present. Take a deeper breath in. Exhale slowly. Feel your body grounded. Feel the room around you. And when you're ready, open your eyes.